Yellow Scalp Care Device, newly developed by myChway, is specifically designed for scalp care. A professional device that combines detection, cleaning, sterilization, hydration, nutrition introduction, scalp massage, and other functions in one. Customized treatments are available based on scalp type, dry, oily, combination, sensitive. So, what kind of handles come with such a powerful machine? HD Scalp Analyzer, which magnifies the designated area 200 times to monitor the health of your scalp and hair at any time. Micro Bubble Generator, which generates bubbles through high-pressure principle, allows scalp cleansing products to cover every corner. Scalp Sprayer, through the principle of high pressure, refines cleaning products to make cleaning more thorough. Spray Gun, which effectively removes dirt from the deeper epidermis layer, delivers oxygen and active water molecules deep into the skin, cleansing and hydrating at the same time. Vacuum Scalp uses the vacuum negative pressure principle to suck out dirt deep in the scalp to achieve deep cleaning. High Frequency generates high-frequency current, helps relax the scalp, and promotes blood circulation. It can also disinfect and sterilize. Iontophoresis, which delivers charged nutrient solution into the scalp tissue to improve the penetration of the nutrient solution. Iontophoresis, which delivers charged nutrient solution into the scalp tissue to improve the penetration of the nutrient solution. Different operating handles and solutions can solve different scalp problems. It integrates detection, cleaning, sterilization, hydration, nutrition introduction, and scalp massage functions to meet the diverse care needs of beauty salons. Contact us to learn more.